Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about how you can fix Shipt deactivating your account. Now, this is a common problem between Shipt user, right? But basically, the most common occurrences that happen is because you've been inactive for too long, right? You haven't bought anything and you haven't logged in for a while. And so Shipt deactivated your account. Now, the solution for this problem is that unfortunately, you will have to get in contact with customer support. Now, customer support is here, right? You can also get support at ship.com or you can call us at this number here, right? You can also email us if you want. So support at ship.com or call this number. And then you will have to talk to an agent to get your account deactivated. So I have heard cases where the agent said that it will remain active forever even if you don't shop a lot. But I think there's been some changes in the infrastructure lately, so they do have to be rolling out these changes. Either way, if your account has been deactivated, you will have to contact customer support at either of these methods. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.